Quiet, but let's put focus on what's happening in the world of commodities because of all the geopolitical tensions. Manisha Gupta is here with us. Manisha, over to you.
Well, thank you so much for that. We have seen the US dollar strengthen a bit, and that has led to some profit-taking come in for the gold prices in dollar terms. And that's exactly the reason that you have the gold prices trading at an all-time highs in various other currencies. Well, in the Australian dollar terms, it's trading at a 3,159, which is an all-time high for Australia. Australia, remember, is the world's third top producer when it comes to gold as well. And that's not the only country or a currency. You have gold prices trading at an all-time highs in Japan as well, at around Japanese yen of 2,96,000 per ounce. This is an all-time high that you've seen ever in case of gold prices in Japan. And then you have it in China as well, where gold is trading at an all-time highs of 14,488 of yuan. We also have seen gold prices hit all-time highs in case of Taiwan, and it's trading at a 5-month highs in the US dollar terms as well. For the international markets, we have seen an all-time high of around $2,072 an ounce. We have seen gold prices gain up nearly 2.7% in the previous week and nearly 5.5% a week prior to that. The strength continues into the international markets even now. As I said, 2072 has been an all-time high for the US dollar in 2020 August. And for the Indian markets, we saw an all-time high in this year itself in the month of May at around 61,490. And the other currencies are the UK. We have seen it hit an all-time high in various other Asian and the European currencies as well. Well, the slowing economy, weak economic data, geopolitical risk premium, all of that has been really supportive for the gold prices. And with the expectation that the markets believe that the interest rates would continue to decline in the next year also has been supportive in sense of sentiment. The weakness in other currencies versus the US dollar also has led to buying in other currencies there. Markets also are looking at the geopolitical risk premium, and that is expected to continue to support. Talk about the projections now when it comes to the gold prices, and most analysts and banks believe that you are going to witness all-time highs in case of gold prices in next year as well. Well, that's DBS come out with 2,050 as an average price for next year. Goldman Sachs is binging on 2,100, ABN AMRO 2,000. So almost everybody talking about $2,000 to $2,200 an ounce in 2024. There are some banks which are looking at much higher prices than that as well. So we have 2,500 coming in from Livermore and Wheaton Precious Metal Limited. They're expecting 2,500 of an upside as well. Exim Australia last week on channel told us at 2,200. We spoke to TD on CNBC-TV18 as well, and 2,100 is what they said. So almost everybody talking about 2,000 plus kind of levels, mostly by the second or the third quarter of 2024. So good amount of buying is what we've seen here.
All right. Manisha, thank you very much for that. So that's commodities in focus, and we'll continue to come back and track that.